Hello everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize your WooCommerce checkout page without writing a single line of code. So as you can see, the default WooCommerce checkout page looks boring, and you can easily improve the checkout experience of your user by installing a free plugin called FunnelKit Funnel Builder for WooCommerce checkout. So these plugins allow us to customize our WooCommerce checkout page. So let's check how we can do that. So it comes with both free and paid version. So free version has limited options, and you can upgrade to paid version for more options. So you can see the pricing of this plugin. So the plugin will cost you $99 per year, and you can use it on one website. And if you want to use multiple websites, then you can try out the plus plan or professional plan. So you can see all the details. So you will see all the options in the pro version. So let's quickly install the FunnelKit plugin and let's check how we can customize our WooCommerce checkout page. And before we proceed, if you found this type of content helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and let's get started. So first of all, we need to go to our WordPress dashboard and just go to plugins and click on add plugin. Now I will include the plugin link in the description. Just download the plugin and you can upload the plugin here, or you can directly search for FunnelKit, and you need to install this plugin, FunnelKit Funnel Builder for WooCommerce checkout. So let's quickly install the plugin. Let's activate the plugin here. Now the plugin is activated. You will see a new option, FunnelKit. Just click on here, and this is the dashboard of FunnelKit where you will get different options. First one is the funnel. Here you can customize your funnel, like you can customize your thank you page, checkout page, your landing page and everything here on this page. And then you have the option for store checkout where you can customize your WooCommerce checkout. Here you will see different templates. So let me click on preview, and this is how the checkout page will looks like, where you will get the express checkout option. You have the fields, and then you have shipping methods, payment methods like this. So you can add all these details to your checkout page using this template. Let me close this and let me open a different checkout page. And this is how the checkout page looks. So user can see the testimonials at the top, then they can see the order summary, and then they can enter their contact information, shipping methods and place the order. Or you can enable one-click upsell option, which is in pro version. So here you can upgrade the order, or they can just skip this and go to the checkout page. So this similar technique is done by Amazon. So Amazon regularly upsell you different type of products before going to the checkout page. And then you have the thank you page option where you can display a thank you page after the order is placed. So you have all the customization options. So let's quickly import this template. So I will click on import this funnel. Now you can set a name here, checkout, and let's click on done. Now let's click on activate the plugin. So the FunnelKit plugin supports all the popular page builder. So you can see the settings here. Just scroll down and here you can see the default page builder. You can use with Elementor, Block Editor, DB, Oxygen, Bricks. So you have all these options. So if you are using Block Editor, then you have to use a plugin like Sling Blocks by FunnelKit to design all the checkout page. So let's go to the website and check how it looks in the front end. And let me quickly add a product to cart. Let's click on view cart. Now let's click on proceed to checkout, and you can see the default checkout page is now changed, and here you can see the order summary, and user can enter their informations and make the payments here. So this is how you can customize your WooCommerce checkout page. Now let's check how you can customize the checkout page. So for this, let's go to FunnelKit and click on store checkout. Now click on the checkout page link. Here you can edit the checkout page. So you can click on edit template, and you can also add different checkout form fields options. So you can see first name, last name. If you don't want, you can remove it. And if you want to add shipping phone, let's drag it here, and you can add it to the customer information. You can also add coupon codes. So let me add the coupon code here. Now the coupon code is added to our checkout page, and here you can also add new fields, which is a pro version. Let's click on save. Now let's click on edit template, and here you can edit your checkout page. You can replace the logo from your media library. You can edit the text. If you want to add new sections, you can do that. Just click on plus and you can use all these sections. You can add buttons, you can add countdown timer, you can add icon list, progress bar, icons, container. So you can use all these options in your checkout page. And this is the customer information shipping method and payment gateway options, and you have the visibility option, custom css options, and you can also select the typography, font weight, alignment. You can adjust the spacing, color, size, and all these options. So it is pretty easy to customize your checkout page without even writing a single line of code. All you have to do is install the FunnelKit funnel builder plugin, and it will magically change your checkout page. So if you are using the pro version of this plugin, then you can get more options, like you can get 2-step or 3-step checkout page. So let me just show you how you can do that. And as you can see, this is the 1-step checkout page, and if you want to add multi-step checkout page, then you have to use the pro version. And you have the product option, so you can add product to your checkout. You can optimize your checkout page, whether you want to enable express checkout buttons, whether you want to use smart login, inline field validation. We have the collapsible optional field. Then you have enhanced phone field, address field validation, and you have Google address autocomplete, auto apply coupon code. So you can see the settings as well, whether you want to track it with Google Analytics. You have custom script and custom CSS. So let me quickly install the pro version of this plugin. So I will click on add new, and let me upload the pro version, and let's install the pro version. Let's activate the plugin. Now you need to validate the license. Let's go to the FunnelKit dashboard, and let me copy the license key. All right, the license is activated. Now you will get all these options. Now let's go to templates, and here you can explore all the premium templates now available to use. So you can preview all these templates here, and as you can see, this is a opt-in page, and user can enter the first name, email address, and grant access. Then they will be redirected to this confirmation page where they can download their products or join the group. Let's close this, and you have the classic option. So let me click on preview, and this is this opt-in page looks like, and you have the opt-in confirmation page. So you have all these templates ready-made for you. So let's click on preview, and here in the premium version you can enable 2-step checkout. So in the first tab you have to enter the information, and in the second tab you have to make the payment. You can also enable 3-step checkout page. First one is the information, then shipping, and then payment option. So with FunnelKit Pro plugin, you can see the analytics, total number of visitors, total order, average order value, revenue per visit, or one-click upsell revenue. So you can see all the options. You can also edit your cart using the FunnelKit cart plugin, and you have the FunnelKit automation plugin as well for email marketing automations. So FunnelKit offers varieties of plugins. You can customize your checkout page, you can customize your cart, you can set different type of automations using this plugin. Now you know that how you can edit your WooCommerce checkout page pretty easily. All you have to do is install the FunnelKit plugin, and you can easily customize your checkout page, whether it is a single page or multi-step checkout. You can do that easily with this plugin. So I will include the plugin link in the description. Just download the plugin and use it on your WooCommerce store, and let me know what is your experience with FunnelKit in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button.